Hello dear students, I hope you and your family is safe from COVID-19. Okay dear students, so welcome to your ALGA class. Students, today we begin with new unit, and in this unit first of all we will revise some beginning sounds. Are you ready? Yes. So, everyone speak after me. Okay? So, let's start. Look at the board. First of all, everyone look at the board and read with me. Okay, let's start the first beginning sound. K. And the picture of car. So, everyone speak with me. Cool car, ka, ka. Cool car, ka. Very good. Next. Ma. My mat, My mat, Very good. Annie ant, Speak with me. Annie ant, Very good. Ta. Tall table, ta. Tall table, ta. Speak with me everyone. Very good. Next is S. Superstar, s. Superstar, s. Very good. Next is R. Red rose, r. Red rose, r. So, these are some beginning sounds. Now, let's see some more beginning sounds. E. Inky insect, E. Speak with me. Inky insect, E. Very good. P. Pink pig, P. Pink pig, P. Pig is an animal. Color of pig is pink. Very good. B. Big bag, B. Big bag, B. In bag, you carry your books, notebooks, pencil box in your school bag? Yes. Big bag, B. Speak with me. Next is fast fan, f. Fast fan, f. Next is O. Next sound is O. Orange oil, O. Orange oil, O. Very good. Last one. G. Green garden, G. Green garden, G. Very good. So, these are some beginning sounds that we already done, but we are revising these sounds again in this unit. Okay. So, you all will read your SR1 and SR2 from your reader book and revise all these beginning sounds in song like we did today. Okay. So, that's all for today. Stay safe and stay healthy. Wash your hands again and again. Don't go outside from your home. Goodbye.